What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Hyundai Elantra remote key fob. This Hyundai Elantra key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to replace this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we're going to do is grab our key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the key fob, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. We can just set that to the side. Now if we grab our flathead screwdriver and we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, this is the slot here that emergency key slid out of, and then just below that there's a little bit of a notch right here. What I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in that notch like that. Make sure it's all the way pushed in. Then I'm going to twist the screwdriver like I'm opening a lock with a key. And as I do that, it splits the case apart. Go ahead and pull it the rest of the way apart. And then in the back half of the case, we see our battery right here. And I'll use my screwdriver just to get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that holder. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new replacement battery with the plus side down, like that. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first that's over by this little metal clip. So I'll kind of tuck that edge in first like that, and then snap that battery down into the holder. And then we can snap the two halves of the case back together. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.